In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printers for cosplay that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Phrozen 4K LCD 3D Printer. The Phrozen Sonic Mighty 4K is a robust 3D printer designed for enthusiasts and professionals, featuring a sizable 9.3-inch printing area and a taller Z-axis for creating large models like intricate dragons or ogres. With a high 4K resolution and monochrome LCD technology, it boasts printing speeds up to 4 times faster than traditional models, delivering layers in just 2 seconds and ensuring quality prints through its advanced matrix light source with 54 UV LED lights. The printer supports a variety of resins, particularly recommending Frozen Aqua Gray 4K and water washable options, while its durable construction includes set screws for consistent leveling and a sandblasted surface for better adhesion. Frozen backs the Sonic Mighty 4K with a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support, making it an appealing choice for both new and experienced users looking for reliable performance and ease of use in their 3D printing projects. Number 2. Prusa for Malawian Quarters 3D Printer. The original Prusa for Malawian Quarters is the latest iteration of the renowned 3D printing workhorse, designed to deliver exceptional reliability and safety alongside enhanced speed, thanks to its input shaper support. With dimensions of 19.6-inch dx 15.7, wx 21.6, h and a weight of 7 kilograms, this printer features a state-of-the-art load cell sensor that ensures a perfectly smooth first layer without the need for manual adjustments. The next-gen Nextruder and 32-bit connected platform introduce numerous quality-of-life enhancements, including remote printing capabilities, quick-swap nozzles, and a customizable user interface that allows for one-click printing. Additionally, the for Malawian Quarters comes with a complimentary 1 kg spool of Prusa PLA in Prusa Galaxy Black, and users benefit from lifetime technical assistance and 24-hour professional customer service from Prusa Research. Number 3. FLASHFORGE 3D Printer. If you want an affordable printer that will get you started quickly and easily, the FLASHFORGE Adventura 3 Lite is a great option. Fully assembled and pre-calibrated out of the box, the Adventura is perfect for beginner or intermediate users looking for consistent print quality. The Adventura 3 Lite, and its slightly beefier parent model, the Adventura 3, has a one-click removable nozzle for easy cleaning. Since nozzle clogs are one of the most common and annoying issues that arise with a 3D printer, this is a big time saver. On the other hand, since the Adventura 3 Lite uses a special quick-release nozzle, you have to buy all replacements from FLASHFORGE, which is far more expensive than typical printer nozzles. You are also far more limited in terms of what size nozzle you can use and what material your nozzle is made from. FLASHFORGE's product description for the Adventura 3 Lite claims that no bed leveling is required, which is a bit misleading since you do have to occasionally level the bed. The printer uses the manual leveling technique of gauging the distance between the nozzle and bed using a piece of paper, but you adjust the gap with on-screen controls rather than knobs. The build volume for the Adventura 3 Lite is 150 mm on all 3 axes, which translates to approximately a 5.9 inches by 5.9 inches by 5.9 inches build plate. This is a bit small for printing things like prop weapons, armors, and helmets, so any larger models would need to be printed as multiple pieces before you glue the 3D prints together. Number 4. Dremel 3D45 3D Printer. When it comes to getting you printing your cosplay props quickly and efficiently, the Dremel Digilab 3D45 has you covered. With little maintenance and setup needed straight out of the box, it is well suited for beginner users. It uses an open material system, meaning that you can use third-party filaments with it without issue. However, when you use Dremel brand filament with the printer, it automatically detects and uses the best print settings for that filament. The 3D45's enclosed case isn't just for temperature control, it is also designed for safety. Coupled with a carbon filter, the printer keeps any microparticles and strong odors contained. So if you are planning to set up your printer indoors in high-traffic areas, this negates the need for complicated ventilation systems. This is also the reason why the 3D45 scores high in our list with the best enclosed 3D printers. Leveling the build plate is fast and easy with the 3D45's 2-point assisted bed leveling system. A probe gauges the height of the build plate and directs users on how far to turn the knobs to level the bed. Number 5. QIDI Plus for 3D printer. If you want a generous-sized build plate to print your armor, helms, and other cosplay props in one piece, the QIDI Tech X Max gives you just that. The QIDI Tech X Max has an impressive selection of supported filaments, including carbon fiber, nylon, PC, PETG, TPU, PLA, and ABS. Since most of these filaments have different needs for optimal printing, the X Max set up 2 distinct environments for them. Cool-temp filaments like PLA, TPU, and PETG are fed from a spool holder at the top of the printer into the main extruder. High-temp filaments like carbon fiber, PC, and nylon stay in a temperature-controlled chamber and use a more durable extruder that can easily be installed in place of the default extruder. Like the FLASHFORGE Adventura 3 Lite, the X Max uses machine-assisted bed leveling, so you can use the on-screen controls in place of the usual knobs. The QIDI Tech X Max has a build volume of 300 by 250 by 300 mm, 11.8 inches by 9.84 inches by 11.8 inches. For a fully enclosed printer capable of using advanced filaments, this is a generous build size. While some larger models may still need to be printed in pieces, you will have significantly less gluing to do with this printer.